When you have mashed potatoes left or you use the potato skin for something else, what can you do? I'm going to show you how to do simple, easy potato bread recipe. For this recipe, I have already added a teaspoon of sugar and 2 tablespoons warm water, and I put 5 grams instant yeast to it. As you can see, it is activating. Now into that, I'm going to add the potatoes and then the eggs. For 500 grams boiled potatoes, going to add 2 eggs and mix. Once it mashed, add the salt, always to your taste, and mix. While mixing, add flour bit by bit. I can't tell the exact amount as different types of potatoes get different types of water levels, and it can be runny or either dry. So it depends. If you are using desiri potatoes, you are using less flour. And if you are using young potatoes, you might need to add more flour. So always add about half a cup and mix. Add flour continuously until it is smooth and elastic. Always check the consistency. It's still sticky, so I need to add more flour. So I'm going to change to the dough hook so it is easy for me to take it out. Once it comes to a soft consistency, it is ready. And look, it is very sticky, so I'm going to leave it in the bowl as it is about 15 minutes before I work on it. Once ready, put some flour onto the top. You don't need to wait like other bread, so only 10 minutes resting. So put it on the flour and knead. Roll it to a log and cut it in half, and then roll it into another log. Cut it in half and then cut into the sizes that you like. Add a bit more flour. This is a very sticky dough, so you need to add flour always. And then roll that into balls like this and leave it on the bench. And again, we need to leave it to rest another 10 minutes before working on it. Some more flour. As you can see, easy to work with. Take a rolling pin and roll it to a round shape. I have some mozzarella. This is actually optional. If you want to add some, you can. If not, you can go without anything in the middle. Or if you like any filling in this, you can add a filling too. So roll. And pro again about 10 minutes. Now into a pan, add butter or oil. I'm using some coconut oil in here. And into that, add the stuffed bread. I have few not stuffed, and these are the stuffed ones. So when you leave it for a while, you can stretch it nicely and put it into the pan. And bake on both sides until golden brown. As you can see, it has risen up. Put it upside down. After cooking both sides, put it onto a wire rack to cool down. And going to put the next batch. So now it is very cool enough to handle, and this is how it is. This is the bread, soft and very moist and cheese in the middle. Hope you will like this recipe. Thank you for watching.